folks, what's up? What's good? Nanachi is here, and yeah, I'll get reacting to Meaty episode 12, folks. And yeah, last episode we got on the fourth layer. We hit a lot of troubles out there, folks, and yeah, we struggled a lot, and Rico almost on the dying situation at that time, folks. But you know, we got saved by our new character, Nanachi, and yeah, he is a hollow, and I think it's kind of like human that became a monster, kind of like that, and he has with another hollow which is Mitty, and I think folks they are the ones that wants to go back to the upper surface, folks, and that's why they become a hollow in a sense, because you know um it showcased to the very first 3 episodes of the series. That's why it makes sense, folks. And yeah, we got a glimpse to on Sovereign of Dawn, which is Bone Druid, folks.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, now Rico is kind of like a little bit okay for me, because you know they got rid the poison, fox, and that's why I think for now she is okay. But yeah, the journey still continues, fox. And fox, I will gonna continue on my journey, fox. If you will gonna subscribe to my channel, fox, smash the subscribe button, fox. Like, comment if you want, and my Facebook page is not that active anymore. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and no further ado, fox, legi lego yo. Let's go! Come on!
今朝から特にひどくなって何人もの医者に見せたんですが原因はわからない。
Ah! So this is what happens on the upper surface right now, okay? Oh, I love her.
Bruh.
Look at that pharmacist, yo. Well characterized, yo. Or well detailed.
ええ、最近生まれた日に命を落とす者がやけに多くて、それが病の仕業じゃないかと噂になってるんです。
So they got caught on a virus, you know, Fox.
A few moments later.
Oh, he's okay, okay.
私、何もしていないんですけどね。どういうことなんでしょうか。この子、熱が出てたことがおかしいくらい健康なんですよ。
Maybe because of the abyss, you know, Fox. Because I think they are on the outside, right? That's what I'm thinking right now. I like her.
あったわね。とびきり理不尽で、まさに呪いって言われる。正体不明の奈落の大穴。
憧れは
Oh my god, here we go again, the narrator よ。
一度捕まると決して逃げられない。それはまるで呪いだが、冒険者たちは皆進んで身を投じていく。彼らにとって憧れのない人生は死よりも恐ろしいのだ。
The true nature of the curse.
ここではない。似たとこ。
Ah, yep. I forgot to say this on my introduction, yo. He got the vision, yo.
一体どういう。
Oh,
ナナチ。
so bendy, yo.
慣れ果てになる前は何者だったんだ。それ聞いちゃう。
They are humans, yo.
やめときな
That's
よ。
for sure.
聞いたらオイラのこと助けたくなっちゃうぜ。何を。なるほどな。ナナチ、教えてくれ。君はアビスの呪いを回避する方法を。
Oh, about the curse, okay. Okay, so this is more kinda like an in-depth on the world building, yo. It's really important. What? A bubble?
よし。これ、お前も入りな。
Kind of like veil, right? A bubble veil.
これは一体。三級異物切り織り。すんげえ薄い布切れだ。アビスの呪いの正体だよ。何？こんな感じのふわふわがな、何重にも重なってオイラたちを覆ってるのさ。触れても感じず、見えもせず。オイラ
Kinda like atmosphere, okay?
なら、どうすればかかると言うんだ。それは、こう。
It will go upward. Yep, kinda like atmosphere. So this is how the author get the idea.
素晴らしい。
That makes sense.
ならほぼ影響ねえけど、頭とか胸とか命に近そうなとこが通ると、見てきたようにろくでもないことになるわけだ。降りるときはどうなってるんだ。
But the
上から通り抜ける分にはスルリだ。入ったら出られない逆トゲのような流れがあるんだ。これ、こんな感じだな。まるで獲物を捕らえる罠さ。
so I will gonna explain Fox a little bit. Fox, I will gonna pause. Okay, here. So Fox, so what did I digest on this scene, Fox, is kind of like the curse is kind of like a atmosphere when it comes to the real earth, or on this earth, Fox, you know, this earth, this world, yo. And kind of like if you're gonna go to the bottom of the ocean, kind of like the deeper that you get, the water pressure that you will gonna take is beyond mind-boggling, yo. Kind of like this. So this is how the author gets that concept, yo. So Fox, let's go, Fox, and sorry for the pause.
タマウガチは
Or
勘が
persons
いいん
don't
じゃね
have great intuition.
未来予知ができるのさ。
Observation? Ang category level?
何？
なんだそれは。言っただろ、体験させてやるよ。ただし約束な。オイラの指示は絶対だ。
Okay, Mitty, Hilarico. Oh, kinda like she has a vivid dream. What the fuck, yo?
Bruh.
Oh my god, yo. Fox,
Bruh.
this eye to eye contact is way better than the lips to lips, yo. You know,
Nope.
Fox.
Meanwhile,
Wait, is he gonna fight the Orby-Chan? Oh, Cave Raider, okay. Oh, Orby-Chan, okay. Okay, here we go again. Round 2.
Round 2.
ちょうどいい。あの先客を助けてみるか。当然だ。
So kind, yo.
そうすりゃタマちゃんも退治できて、あいつも助かる。
Orby-Chan.
よーし、なら見せてやるぜ。オイラの見てる世界をな。そいじゃあとりあえず、思いっきり上向いてみ。引き返すな。オイラの言うことは絶対。そのまま右側へ飛べ。どしがたい。
何？
He grabbed Orby-Chan.
Bruh.
I've seen it a lot of times, but it still amazes me. Then the cave raider. She's surprised. Oh, he's surprised. 何者だ Right?
おい、そいつに近づくな。
ことづけを頼まれてくれないか。ベルチェロ孤児院ジルオという一人が出てた。
ベルチェロのジル
僕らはまだ冒険を続けていると。
お、わかった。
頼む。
Okay, okay. Even though he is a black whistle fox, you know, he's kinda like respectful one, you know, because Reg saves his life. I love that, yo. He's not kinda like rude because, you know, he's older than him, you know, Fox.
それにしてもすごかったぞナナチ。敵の能力を逆手に取った素晴らしい作戦だ。君も奈落の底についてきてくれればいいのに。
Oh, potentially,
お前に頼みたいことができた。
おう、なんだ？何でも言ってくれ。
potentially nakama here, yo.
ミーティ
What?
ー殺してくれ。
Hey! What the fuck, yo? Like... Okay, okay. Yo! Every episode of Made in Abyss is really fantastic, yo. Like, for real, yo. I'm done, Fox, with Made in Abyss episode 12. And what I get on this episode is on how the Curse of the Abyss works. If you're a kinda like a viewers that just watching anime that doesn't want to know the context, Fox, it's kind of like not important to you, Fox, but this is a really important, especially on the characterization of the world building on this series. And yeah, Nanachi wants to kill Mitty. And for me, Fox, if you will gonna give me a take on why, because you know they are hollows and they are former humans, and on what I can see on them, Nanachi, his characterization or his personality is still intact, Fox, even though he's kind of like a fluffy thing, you know, Fox. But Meaty is, no, his identity is lost, you know, kind of like that. I think Nanachi wants Meaty to end her suffering, kind of like that. And Fox, I'm done with Made in Abyss episode 12, Fox, and I will gonna jump to the last episode of this season. And yeah, Fox, if you are new to my channel, Fox, don't always forget to subscribe to my channel, Fox, follow, or kinda like or comment if you want, Fox, if you will want to add something on my video, Fox. And yeah, Fox, tapos show. Ciao.